What up, tube? Today is Saturday, guys. Saturday, September 1st. 9 months out of the year are gone. Time to go to work. Right now it is 7:10 a.m. I am on my way to the shop. Today I am short-handed again, guys. Wow, what a surprise. Nobody wants to come to freaking work. I don't know what it is, guys. I guess everybody doesn't need money. Jeez. I don't know what it is with these guys, but I swear, nobody wants to work on Saturdays. They want to be barbers, but they don't want to work during the weekend. It's fucking ridiculous. It's really hilarious. I don't know what it is, guys. Seriously, I have no idea what it is. There's no urge to work, I guess, you know. Everybody just misses whenever how they want, and you know. I woke up feeling pretty tired today. Not real tired. I'm ready to hit this day. Don't get me wrong. I'm ready to knock it out of the park. But it just irritates me, you know, to wake up and get people calling me, telling me they're not going to come in. You know, like, it is what it is, I guess. I just go out there and pull it. So I don't know how many guys there is today. For sure, I know there should be 3 at least. I should have had 4. I should be 5, but one guy's not. He's just missing in action, and the other one doesn't want to come into work. You know, the other one called in, so I don't know. I don't even know what's going on. I don't even want to talk shit about that no more. You know, I mean, it's ridiculous. It's Saturday. It's a day that everybody should be wanting to make money, and instead, you know, they're all hiding somewhere. You know, doing something else, probably doing nothing, probably asleep. It's just ridiculous, senseless. But it is what it is. I'm going to the shop. Just roll with my punches like I always do. You guys know how I roll. Nothing gets me down. I just got to keep rolling and keep doing the work. And hopefully it's not too crazy today, because you know, I got to remember today is a Saturday, but also it's a holiday weekend, so maybe a lot of people are out of town. So it seems kind of empty out here in the streets, so we'll see what we get into. So I'm going to just go to shop and get to work and see what's up, guys, and I'll keep you guys posted. For today, guys, it's gonna be a short vlog today. Oh my god, it was crazy today, guys. I'm not gonna lie, nobody showed up to work. Just me and Bismarck left at 2 p.m. so I was here the last 2 hours by myself. So it was a crazy day, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it was just insane. Never done that many haircuts in my life. Just trying to hold it down. It's just ridiculous, guys. My crew is out of control. I don't know what the hell's going on with them. Just missing whenever the hell they want. I feel like I'm losing control. I don't know. I'm just discouraged right now. I'm just tired, burned out. There's no way, no how I want to be doing 30 haircuts, and that's exactly what it came out to today. It's just ridiculous, guys. And I gotta figure something out here. I gotta figure something out, or I'm gonna fucking fall apart. That's what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna fucking continue to working like this. It's just insane. It's insanity. So I don't know. I have to do something. But sorry for the short vlog today, guys. It was crazy. I don't know. It was just only me and him working, so I didn't even want to do haircuts on camera, because it just felt like I just taking up too much time, and there's too many people waiting, and it was just non-stop, guys, non-stop. I don't know if you imagine 30 haircuts. It's just ridiculous. I'm not even lying. 30 haircuts. I can show you on the box if you guys want, but it's just ridiculous. So tomorrow's Sunday. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow, obviously, Tony's not gonna be here, so I don't know. I think I got 2 more guys coming in. They're gonna help me out, but luckily this week's almost over. All right, guys. Don't let my negativity discourage you guys. This is a great business. Just, you know, when you become a barbershop owner, it's just too much sometimes, guys. It's just overwhelming. And when you don't have a good crew, or you don't have a crew that gives a shit, you know what I mean? It screws everything up. So with that being said, guys, I'll be more on a positive side tomorrow, guys. You guys stay blessed. Have a good night. Have a good evening. I'm going to go home and go to sleep. And then I'll see you guys mañana.